Good morning, boys and girls. LSD tip, Joel Blazer. Singleness of purpose and focus, becoming the mental equivalent of what it is that I want to achieve. We're going to be starting the property series here in a couple days, closing on a property, and this will be number 56 for me in the last 25 years. But with sobriety, with financial goals, with the relationship goal, the singleness of purpose of what that goal is. What are my goals? And then becoming the mental equivalent, which basically allows you to have the roadmap to get from point A to point B. But the singleness of purpose is a highly skillful tactic and strategy to use to get to the goal. In any situation, any corporate situation, any spiritual situation, any financial situation, what is my goal? And then getting there, and then you start to think about, feel, the smell, the sight, the touch, every aspect of what that goal is, to see it and feel it and believe it. I love you all. Singleness of purpose, becoming the mental equivalent.